Hi, I'm Gary with Quality Sawmills. We're going to show you a little demonstration on a Grizzly 30 manual sawmill. I want to show you some of the features that you'll find on this mill. You got electric start 23 horse Briggs & Stratton engine on this one. You can get up to a 35 horse engine on this. Also, you got electric lift on the head. You release the brake and just push the button and that'll raise right up for you. Another feature that we have on here, you won't find on very many mills, all our squaring pins are lifted by one lever in the front on the operator's side. That lifts them all the full length of the mill. So you're not going to be running around trying to pick them up. This mill will cut a log 21 feet long by 30 inches. It's trailer mounted, taillights are in it, 2-inch ball. Any normal car pickup will tow it. Okay, so these are quality manufacturing guides. They support the bottom of the blade, the top of the blade, and if you push real hard or you hit a knot, you got a bearing in the back that will prevent the band from going back too far. They're much better than a roller type bearing that will push down on it, but it gives no support. So if the band wants to drop, it can drop. Okay, so these are the pillow block bearings that we use. They're Type E double tapered roller bearings, and they're very, very expensive. No one else in the industry is using those. They're lifetime bearings. You just have to grease your wheels once in a while. Just a regular grease gun. Couple shots of grease. The wheels are ages old technology. They're completely bulletproof. You're not going to be replacing wheels or bearings if you grease it for as long as you live. Okay, here's how you adjust your height and your thickness of your board. You can do it manually like this. And you can get it infinite. You can get an infinite measurement, or to raise it up, you can go automatic, and to go down, it comes down on gravity. There you go. Stainless steel rods, so they're rust free for the life of the machine. Okay, so I want to show you how the accelerator and the clutch works on this. We've never had a clutch failure on any quality sawmill. We make these ourselves. We can get this started. Just pull this lever and pull the accelerator at the same time. Okay, so we have a watering system on the mill. Okay, here's the valve for it. Here's the fill. And it just drips on the blade and keeps the sap from building up on the guides. Our guides are self-cleaning, and it's not really necessary, but some people like it, so we throw it on. The tank is built right into the head of the mill. You fill it here, adjust it here, it comes out on the band.